Video, I'm going to show you how to turn YouTube videos into really high quality blog posts of pretty much any word length that you need using two free AI tools. Now the first AI tool we're going to be using is ChatGPT. So yeah, you can absolutely do this with the free version of ChatGPT and get a really high quality output using my method. Now personally, I'm going to be using the paid version because the output I'm going to be getting will be even better with the paid. But having said that, the output you'll get with the free version with this method is pretty decent. And the second reason I'm going to be using the paid version is that I'm using two prompts to get this done. And in one of my prompts, I also asked Chat to search the internet for more information that should be in our article that's not in that video. So if you're using the free version of ChatGPT, you're not going to be able to do that step, but everything else you'll be able to do with this method with the free version.
Sounds good.
And the second tool we're going to be using to do this is a Chrome extension called Glasp. Now Glasp is the tool we're going to be using to extract the transcript of the YouTube video and bring it into ChatGPT. Now I have experimented with this method using a ChatGPT plugin called VoxScript, which is pretty good. But for this particular purpose, I find that Glasp does a much better job. And having said that, VoxScript, you can only use it on the paid version of ChatGPT. But with this method, we can use Glasp with ChatGPT on the free version or the paid version. So how good's that? Now, since you're watching this video, I presume you already have a ChatGPT account. But if you don't yet have an account, then you can sign up for free by following the instructions in the card above this video here now. And I'll also link that video up in the description below this video, so it's easy for you to find it. Now, what you first want to do is open your ChatGPT account, and if you're just using the free version, that's fine. But if you are using the paid version and you want to use the paid version for this particular method that I'm showing you, then make sure in the top left that you select GPT-4 before you go on to the next step. And as I mentioned earlier, if we're using the paid version of ChatGPT here with GPT-4, one of my prompts asks Chat to then search the internet to find more information that should be in that article that's not covered in the video. So at the time of recording this video, GPT-4 should be able to do that for you automatically, but sometimes for whatever reason OpenAI disables the feature where Chat can access the internet. So just to safeguard against that, I'm also going to go to plugins and select a plugin called Web Pilot and just make sure this Web Pilot is also installed. So if you don't yet have this, just visit the plugin store, search for Web Pilot here, and you'll find Web Pilot here to install. Now again, this is only available if you're on the paid version of ChatGPT. So if you're using the free version, just ignore this step. And then the next thing you want to do is go to Google and search for the Google Chrome extension Glasp. And it should be the first one listed here in the SERPs. And as you can see, I've already installed Glasp in my browser. But if you haven't yet, then you just click the button up here to install Glasp. Now that's done, we want to head over to YouTube and choose the video that we want to make an article about. So here on my channel, I'm going to choose one of my videos. I'm going to choose this one here, 7 AI Tools for Affiliate Marketing. So if I click on the video, I'm going to pause it for a sec, and we'll notice, because we've added Glasp, we've now got this extra feature up here, which is the Glasp drop-down menu. And I could select this little down arrow, and it will show me the whole transcript here that I could copy and paste. But that would give me the timestamps as well. So I'm not going to do that. Instead, I'm going to select this option here, which is the ChatGPT icon. And as I click on this, Glasp is now going to open Chat in a new window for me and pull in the transcript straight away, and also automatically start to summarize the article for me. So now Chat is writing a summary, and you'll notice because I've selected GPT-4 previously before I opened this ChatGPT window, GPT-4 is selected with my Web Pilot plugin as well. So let's let Chat finish off summarizing this video for us, and then we're going to use it to go to the next step. We're going to get Chat to create an article outline first before we write the video. Now I have tried multiple times to try to get Chat to write the whole article immediately straight after this point, but Chat doesn't do it very well, unfortunately, because first of all, Chat's only got an output limit currently of around about 600 words. So you end up first of all with a short article. Then also Chat doesn't write in a very good tone, it's a bit boring and leaves out a lot of information. So I've created two prompts to get Chat to write a lengthy article for us that is high quality and with an engaging tone. So now before I get Chat to write our article outline for us, there's just one thing to notice here. So ChatGPT is amazing, but it's not perfect. Now this video is about 7 tools for affiliate marketing, but Chat has only summarized 5 here. So I'm just going to prompt Chat first of all, just to make sure that it covers all 7 from this transcript. So now Chat's having another go at summarising, just to make sure we've got the full summary, even though we've got the full transcript here. When we create the article outline and then afterwards the actual article for us, Chat might miss out a few, so we don't want that to happen. So there we go. Number 6 is flicky. And number 7 is speech hello. And so far so good. Yeah, phrase is actually spelt with an F. Flicky is spelt with an I instead of a Y, but that's no problem. I'm just going to, make a couple of edits at the ends. It's not a biggie at all. So now we've got our transcript, we've got our article outline. No, not our article outline, sorry. This is just a summary that chat does automatically. Now, I need to go to my 2 prompts that I've created. Now, the first prompt is to get chat to create the article outline. As I was just saying, it's important to do this first rather than trying to get chat to write the article from the get-go, because you'll just get a much, much better article doing this. So my prompt just starts off by confirming his chat, this is all good so far. And then I ask, now please create an in-depth article outline for a blog post based on this video transcript. Be sure to use all the important information and include headings and subheadings where appropriate. Your goal is to create a comprehensive article outline for the topic, so be sure to also research the internet and check for other information that should be included in this article that is not mentioned in the video. So, of course, this section here I've put in blue. So if you're using the free version of ChatGPT, then just leave this part out. And then this prompt finishes by asking chat to create a catchy and engaging title for the article and write this content in Markdown and include lists and tables if and where appropriate. So it doesn't mean that chat will include tables, but only if it feels that it's appropriate, then it will do so. So I'm going to give this prompt to chat and let's see the article outline it comes back with for us. And then once we've got our article outline, we can then get chat to write the article for us. Now here, as I've asked chat to check the internet as well for any other content that should be in this article, that's what's happening here, where chat is using this WebPilot plugin to do a quick search of the internet based on this topic. And now chat's confirming, and now here is the title that chat's come up with for us: Revolutionising Affiliate Marketing, Top AI Tools to Elevate Your Online Business in 2024. And now here is our outline, and chat's using Markdown already. Sometimes this happens, so you just click regenerate, not a problem. And now here chat goes again. So summarising. So here's our article outline, and chat's giving the headings and subheadings in Markdown and writing, hopefully, each of the 7 tools and writing what should be written about in each tool. So I'll pause the video here just so I don't waste your time, and I'll come back to you in a sec once chat's given us the completed outline. Okay, so now chat's finished our article outline for us. It's covered all of the 7 tools that I mentioned in the video. And now, because I asked chat to look for anything else that should be included in this article that I haven't mentioned in this video, so chat has also put an extra section in here about other AI tools that are worth noting. And one of them is called Scalio. I've not heard of that. MailChimp, definitely not a new AI tool, so I'll just delete that, that's no problem. And then Referral AI is another one that chat has put in there. And then chat's put a few extra sections in about the AI role in enhancing affiliate marketing strategies and the future of AI in affiliate marketing. So this is awesome. So far we've got a really good article outline for us now. So the next step is to copy this whole outline, including the title, and I'm going to leave the references bit just down to the conclusion. I'm opening 2 new Google Docs. So the first one is I'm going to paste in the article outline into here and just tidy this up a little bit just to make it clearer to see. And then the second Google Doc is currently a blank doc at the moment where I'm going to paste the completed output for our article. So now we have our outline pasted into this Google Doc. I'm going to go back to our prompts and now grab prompt number 2. So this is where the magic really starts to happen. I can get chat to write a lengthy article for us that's actually decent quality. So this prompt reads, so first of all, let's chat know that we're happy with what it's doing so far. Then I'll ask chat to now please write the content for the following sections of this article. Now I'm only going to paste a few sections at a time. That way I can get chat to do a really good job on individual sections rather than doing a crap job on a whole article that's just short and rubbish basically. Anyway, the prompt continues. Include headings and subheadings where appropriate. Write the content in Markdown and include lists and tables if and where appropriate. Please write several paragraphs on each section and subsection. Be as in-depth, comprehensive and accurate as possible. Be sure to write with no plagiarism. And then the tone, I ask chat to write in an engaging tone that is slightly conversational but still professional. You're writing for an adult audience with an 8th grade reading level, so don't use complex words, phrases or concepts to explain things. Leave a space and start a new line after 1 to 2 sentences. That way, just so I don't get big walls of text. And then I write, here are the article sections. So I'm going to copy this prompt and give it to chat directly after our article outline here. Paste this in. And now I'm going to go back to my document where I've got the pasted article outline. And I'm just going to take the first few sections. So I'm going to ask chat to do the intro and up to the first 2 tools as well. Take this back to chat, paste this in, and let's see what chat comes up with for us. Okay, so here we go. Chat is starting to write our article. And if you read the content, you can see that chat is using an engaging tone that's actually much more enjoyable to read. So this is much more engaging. Now chat continues the emergence of AI, how AI tools are transforming affiliate marketing, and now chat is starting to write the info on the first couple of the AI tools for us. So as you can see, this is pretty good so far. Chat's writing quite a good amount of content for each section. So far looking good. That's the first few sections. So I'm going to copy this and now paste it into the blank document where we're going to be putting our article together. So again, just sort this out. Now, that's the first part of our article. Now what we're going to do is go back to grab our prompt number 2 again, exactly the same prompt, and paste it back into chat again, and now go back to our document that has our article outline. So I'm going to do 3, 4, 5 and 6. I don't want to do too much, otherwise chat starts to write not very much for each section, because again, remember, chat's got a limited word output. So this way, the fewer sections I do at a time, the more scope, the more characters chat's got to write for us for those sections. If I paste too many sections in at once, chat will then start to write a much smaller word count for each of those sections. So just bear that in mind. So let's go pause the video here and let chat write this second part out, and I'll be back with you in a sec, just so I don't waste your time. Okay, so chat's just finished writing the next part of our article here. So if I copy and paste this back into our document where we're compiling our article, paste this in. So far we've already got quite a lengthy article. Now we go back to grab our prompt again. This probably be the last time we need to do it. Paste this in and go back to our article outline and grab the last few sections of this article, give it to chat and let chat finish off the article for us. Okay, so chat's writing about the last AI tool, Speechalo, which is an AI voice creation tool. So I'll pause the video just so I don't waste your time, and I'll back with you in a sec. I'm actually just going to resume the video at the moment because, as you can see, chat at the moment is creating a table where I asked chat in the prompt earlier, if and where appropriate, put a table in for us. And look at this is awesome. So chat is now sticking this table in our article for us, and Google loves this kind of thing. Okay, so chat's finished our article now, so I'm just going to go back and copy this last part of the article, put it in our document with the rest of our content, and just paste this in here. So now this is our completed article. Look at that, pretty lengthy. It's going to delete that, don't need that. So let's just see the word count we've got. It's probably close to 2,000 words, I think. So if I just check here, the word count, 1,700 words. So that's pretty decent. And it's complete with markdown. It's got tables in here and sometimes bullet point lists or a numbered list. It's got the H2s and H3s already done for me. And at this point now, what I'd do is I'd copy and paste this content into a tool like Surfer or Phrase to optimize the article for SEO. Now you can also start off by editing your prompts, so you get chat to insert particular keywords for you to help your SEO. I've also been experimenting with SEO optimized prompts for this, which works quite well. But you definitely do also still need to use a tool like Surfer or Phrase to make sure that you're covering all the different types of keywords that need to be in your article. And if you're using GPT-4 with the Red Pilot plugin like I am, so you can get chat to access the internet, I've also used prompts here where I've got chat to then insert external links for me into my article as well. So that's something else you can also experiment with. So feel free to copy my prompts and give this a go yourself, and of course you can tweak the prompts and change things around and add things in and experiment. So that's how you turn a YouTube video into a high quality blog post that's got a decent word count and it's written with high quality content, all for free. Now of course ChatGPT isn't perfect, so it's brilliant, it's not perfect, and sometimes it won't follow every aspect of your prompt, so sometimes you might have to resubmit a prompt here and there to get the output you want. But with this method, I've been experimenting with it a few times and I'm finding I'm getting really decent articles completed within about half an hour for free, which is pretty awesome. Now, if you got value out of this video, then please do like, share and subscribe. It really helps my channel out a lot and I really appreciate it. Now, if you want a step-by-step guide on how to use ChatGPT for affiliate marketing, then this is the next video you'll watch. And if you want to see my top 10 recommended ChatGPT plugins, then this is the next video you'll watch.